morning, children. Today we will learn how to solve the problems related to combination of the different plane shapes from the exercise 12.3. Okay, let us start the session. Good morning, children. Today we will try to solve exercise number 12.3 problems. Okay. Look at example number 1. The example reads, find the area of the shaded region in figure if PQ is equal to 24 centimeter and PR is equal to 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. Okay. Let us analyze the figure here. This is a circle with center O and the length of this PQ is 24 centimeter and this PR is 7 centimeter and O is the center of the circle. Okay. Then we need to find the area of this shaded region. Okay. Let us analyze this question. See here, children. RPQ is a semicircular region and angle RPQ is the angle made in the semicircular region. Angle made in the semicircular region is always 90 degree. We have been asked to find the area of this shaded region. Therefore, area of this shaded region is calculated as follows. Find out the area of the semicircular region and subtract the area of the right angle triangle RPQ. Okay. Why the angle RPQ is 90 degree here? RPQ is the angle in the semicircular region. Angle in the semicircular region is 90 degree. That is why angle RPQ is 90 degree and triangle RPQ is a right angled triangle. Therefore, find out the area of the semicircular region first, then subtract the area of this right angled triangle. You will get the area of this shaded region. Okay. See here, children. Angle RPQ is 90 degree because angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. So, here we do not know the radius of this circle. So, let us find the radius first. But how to find the radius? To find the radius, first let us find the length of RQ and half of RQ is radius of the circle. So, let us apply Pythagoras theorem to right angle triangle RPQ. So, it is RQ square is equal to RP square plus PQ square. So, RQ square is equal to PR square plus PQ square because of Pythagoras theorem. And PR is 7 centimeter square plus PQ is 24 centimeter square. 7 square is 49. 24 square is 576. 49 plus 576 is equal to 625. So, children, RQ square is equal to 625. If this square is transposed to this side, it becomes square root. Thus, the square root of 625 is equal to 25 centimeter and this 25 centimeter is equal to RQ. Okay, this RQ. But RQ is diameter of the circle, but half of RQ is radius of the circle. So, diameter of the circle is 25 centimeter and radius of the circle is 25 by 2 centimeter. Therefore, area of the semicircle is half of phi r square. Phi r square is full circle area and half of phi r square is area of the semicircle. So, area of the semicircle is equal to half of r square, half into 5, okay. Radius square means 25 by 2 the whole square. This is 25 square upon 2 square becomes 625 upon 4. 4 2s are 8. Thus 625 upon 8 times of 5. This is equal to 625 upon 8 into 22 by 7. Therefore, children, area of the semicircular region is 6875 upon 28 centimeter square or 245.53 centimeter square. Okay. Now, let us find the area of right angle triangle RPQ. Area of right angle triangle RPQ. Here, let us find the area of right angle triangle RPQ. I take PQ as base and RP as height. Therefore, half into base into height. So, children, it is half into base into height 1 by 2 into 24 into 7. 2 ones are, 2 12s are, then 7 12s are 84. Thus, area of RPQ is equal to 84 centimeter square. Now, we found the area of the semicircular region and area of the right angle triangle. Okay. So, if we subtract area of triangle in area of semicircular region, we get the area of the shaded region. Okay. Therefore, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the semicircle minus area of right angle triangle RPQ. Right. Area of the semicircular region is 6875 upon 28 centimeter square minus area of right angle triangle RPQ is 84 centimeter square. Okay. Here 84 means it is 84 by 1 and LCM of 28 and 1 is 28. So, after the simplification we have 6875 minus 2352 upon 28 is 4523 upon 28 centimeter square and that is equal to 161.53 centimeter square. Hence, the area of the shaded region is 4523 upon 28 centimeter square in the rational number form and in the decimal expansion form it is 161.53 centimeter square. So, this is how we were able to find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Let us consider example 2. The example reads, find the area of the shaded region in the figure. If radii of the two concentric circles with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter respectively and angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Okay. Look at the given figure here. Here there are two circles. Both have same center but different radii. Okay. The radius of the inner circle is OB. It is 7 centimeter and the radius of the outer circle is OC, that is equal to 14 centimeter. Thus, if two circles have same center and different radius, such circles are called concentric circles. Therefore, here the two circles are concentric circles and the angle AOC is 40 degree. But we need to find the area of this shaded region. Okay. See here, children, the area of the shaded region is area of the sector AOC, okay, minus area of the sector BOD, right? Both have same sector angle. Therefore, you know that area of the sector AOC minus area of the sector OBD or BOD is area of the shaded region. Am I right? We have the formula for 360 degree central angle, phi r square is the area and for central angle theta, how much is the area. Therefore, for sector OAC we have for 360 degree we have 5r square, and for 40 degree how much here? Here radius is 14, therefore we put 14 centimeter square, and here theta is 40 degree, we put theta is equal to 40 minus area of this sector BOD, right? For 360 degree 5r square is the area, and for 40 degree how much is the area? Here radius is 7, therefore we put 7 square. Okay. See here children, 40 upon 360 and 5 are common in both the terms. That is why 40 upon 360 into 5 are taken out, and inside remains 14 square minus this 7 square. The identity is used here, a square minus b square identity. Therefore it is a minus b into a plus b, right? And here 0 0 get cancelled, 4 ones are 4 nines are, and here 14 minus 7 is 7, and 14 plus 7 is 21. After the simplification we have area of the shaded region is equal to 154 upon 3 centimeter square in rational number form, and in decimal expansion form it is 51.33 centimeter square. Okay. One more a different and interesting problem. Example number 4. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure, where a circular arc of radius 6 cm has been drawn with vertex O of an equilateral triangle OAB, upside 12 cm as center. Okay. Look at the diagram here. They have given that AOB is an equilateral triangle in which the side AB is 12 cm and BO is also 12 cm, OA is also 12 cm, right? And this is a circular arc, okay, with O as the center, and this circular arc has 6 cm radius. If this is the case, we need to find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region means this triangle area plus this circular sector area. Okay. See here children, since ABO is an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal to 12 cm and each interior angle must be 60 degree. So the shaded area can be calculated in two ways. The first way is area of this equilateral triangle, okay, is directly calculated by the formula root 3 by 4 a square, okay, plus then area of this sector. This sector is major sector with sector angle, okay, reflexive angle 300, because at the center, if one full round is 360 degree, if this 60 degree is subtracted, then we get the sector angle 300. Therefore, area of this equilateral triangle plus area of this sector angle with area of this major sector with sector angle 300 degree with radius 6 centimeter. This can be done. On the other hand, area of this shaded region is equal to area of circle. We will find out the area of full circle. Okay, we will find out the area of this full circle plus area of equilateral triangle OAB. Okay, we will find out the area of this full equilateral triangle OAB, then minus the area of this sector with sector angle 60 degree and radius 6 centimeter. Then we get the shaded region area. Thus, area of the shaded region is equal to area of circle plus area of equilateral triangle OAB, then minus the sectoral area common to the circle and the triangle. See here, this area is common to circle also and common to the triangle also. If this is subtracted, then we get only the shaded region area. Okay. Area of the circle is 5r square. Here radius is 6 centimeter, that is why it becomes 5 into 6 square, plus area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4a square. Thus root 3 by 4, a means length of one side of the equilateral triangle, that is 12. Therefore it is 12 square, minus area of the sector angle 60 degree and radius 6 centimeter. Okay. For 360 degree, 5r square is the area. For 60 degree, how much is the area? That should be subtracted here. Therefore, children, 6 square is 36 into 5 plus here 12 square, it is 12 into 12, then 4 ones are, then 4 threes are, then 12 threes are 36 root 3, minus here 0 0 get cancelled and 6 ones are 6 6 are get cancelled. Okay. Then here 6 into 6, 1 6, 6 get cancelled and 6 remains. Thus it is 6 5. Therefore 36 5 minus 6 5 becomes 35 plus 36 root 3. Okay. So children, 30 into 5 means 22 by 7 plus 36 into root 3. Okay. But if we simplify, 22 30s are 660 upon 7 plus 36 root 3 centimeter square. We can stop the area of this here only, otherwise we can still simplify. So children, 660 upon 7 is 94.28 plus 36 into root 3 plus 36 into root 3 is 1.73. 36 into 1.73 is 62.28 plus 94.28 is equal to 156.56 centimeter square is the area of this shaded region. That is the area of this equilateral triangle plus the area of this major sector with sector angle 300 degree and radius 6 centimeter. Okay. Hope children, today you understood the problems of exercise number 12.3. Okay. Tomorrow I will come with some other problems from exercise number 12.3. Till then, goodbye.